Welcome to Cook'n With Remi. Today we're gonna make tabouleh. Tabouleh comes from North Africa and it's good for you. We're gonna go on a picnic tomorrow, so you have to do the tabouleh today. Do you wanna do tabouleh with me? Hi, I'm Remi. Do you like to cook? I like to cook. I'm gonna do recipes with you that you could do at home with your mom and dad. My dad is a chef, and I'm gonna do recipes for you. So let's start chopping. Now we are going to cut it in dices. I was a little slow, so I called my dad to help me a little bit. I was a little bit excited, so I did round, but normally it's rectangle. Now that it's all cut in square pieces, we're gonna put it in a bowl, any bowl. And now we are gonna put the tabouleh in here. Oops, I said the wrong thing. This is we're gonna make tabouleh. This is semoule. We have parsley. We have mint. It smells awesome good. This smells. And now we are gonna chop it like this. Kind of hard. You can tell to an adult to cut it for you. Now we are gonna put this in here. And it smells good. Now we're gonna cut the bell pepper. Looks like a tunnel. Now you cut into pieces. And you can ask an adult to take off the white part, like Daddy or Mommy. Now you're gonna make cubes. Oops. Slided. It's a surface and small pieces and round, because you can't do rectangle because the tomato's round. Huh? Not really fitting. Oops. Take that off. And now we put it in the bowl. You could ask an adult to cut the vegetables for you. It's not very hard, but if it's really hard for you, you could ask an adult. Now you're going to squeeze your juice. You pour the juice in one of these things like that. There's no seeds in the salad. Oops. The seeds can't pass. The holes are not big enough. Now we put 3 or 2 pinches of salt. Now we are going to put the oil, all of the oil, in. Now we're going to put the pepper. Yep. And if it's hard, you could ask an adult to help. Now, you mix. Whoopsie. And slowly. Now that you mixed, you're gonna let it rest till tonight. Tomorrow, we are gonna do the picnic. See you later. Welcome back. Now that the tabouleh is absorbed, it comes to taste it. If you want to. We're gonna have a tabouleh with shrimp and the grilling spice. Now that Daddy cooled the shrimp, we are ready for our picnic. Bon appetit, Uzès.